Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube, this your boy Ray Mack, and we're about to get into this here video. Check it out, y'all. We're making some sticky barbecue chicken on the grill. So the first thing I want to do is make up some of this here sticky barbecue marinade. So in this here pot, I'm pouring in some apple cider vinegar along with some brown sugar. All right, now I'm going to squeeze in some spicy brown mustard. All right. Now, with that being said, I'm going to try my best to leave the description, the ingredients for you guys in the show more section. Now I have some of this here jalapeno jelly. That's right, jalapeno jelly. If you can't find jalapeno jelly in your local store, any type of fruit preserve will work. Whether it be apple, apricot, or even plum, it will work for you. Now I have some of this here tomato paste. All right, Hunt's tomato paste. I love Hunt's tomato paste. I'm telling you, y'all. Now I have my own special blend here, which consists of kosher salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, along with some Italian herbs and garlic powder. So I want to give everything a mix over high heat. All right, we want to warm this up. And this is the consistency that you will get out of your marinade. It will look like barbecue sauce, but believe me, it's not barbecue sauce. This is sticky barbecue marinade. You will love it. I'm telling you, you will definitely love it. So in a vacuum sealed bag, I sealed up one end and I'm throwing in some chicken thighs, and this is what I'm putting on the grill. I'm putting chicken thighs on the grill, y'all. So with that sticky barbecue marinade, look at that there, y'all. I'm telling you, this stuff is good. All right, so I'm going to take that sticky barbecue marinade, right, and I'm going to pour it right inside that vacuum seal bag over those thighs. I want these things to come together, man. I want these thighs, man, to be so flavorful and juicy when I take them off the grill, and every bite, man, it'll be just this. My God. Okay, back to the video. Now, what I'm going to do now is take the bag and I just want to seal it up. I don't want to take any air out of it. I just want to seal this here bag up. This is the way that I do it, so I don't have to go in the kitchen and clean up all type of dishes. So you could use a vacuum, you could use a Ziploc bag to marinate yours in, or you could use a bowl to marinate your meat in. Whatever you want to use to marinate your meat in is fine, but this works best for me. So now, since I've got the marinade and the chicken all together, and I just want this to sit for at least around about 3 hours. It's good overnight. So let's go ahead, man, and go ahead and get this here barbecue seasoning fixed up. So the first thing that I'm doing into this here container, I'm tossing in is some brown sugar. This is some barbecue seasoning, y'all. I think it's going to be one of the best pairings with this here barbecue marinade. Then I have some ground mustard. Like I say, I don't use measurements, all right? But I'm going to try my best to leave something for you guys below. Then I have some kosher salt, all right? Please use kosher and not table salt. Whatever you do, don't use table salt, all right? Then I have some black pepper. This is definitely going to be a good recipe, down home, lip smacking good. And I also added in some paprika along with some dried thyme leaves. All right, we are moving right along, and this recipe is definitely going to be something special. Now, we adding in, just for a little heat, some cayenne pepper. All right, just for a little heat, cayenne pepper. And then we're going to add in some Chinese 5 spice. If you don't have Chinese 5 spice, allspice will work. It's all the same. All right, just give it a little shake now. Now I'm using my pellet smoker outside, and I got the temperature set on that at 325 degrees. You could use a charcoal grill, or you could use a gas grill for this here recipe. Or ladies, you could even use this here recipe and cook it indoors. It also works good indoors as well. So now what I'm doing here, I got my seasoning that I had made up, the barbecue seasoning, and I got the skin side up, and I just want to sprinkle that seasoning on this chicken, skin side up. All right. And once that is done, all right, once I'm done, I'm not going to season the bottom up yet. You'll see, I'm not going to season the bottom up yet, but just the skin side. So we're going to go ahead and close the lid on this. And then we want this, before I flip it, I want to cook this chicken for at least around about 15 minutes or 20 minutes before I flip. And then after that, all right, then I will flip it and season the bottom of the chicken. So now I'm gonna flip these skin side down. And as you can see, once I flip this stuff, man, how the juices are basically just dripping from that meat. And I'm telling you, man, it is definitely something. Ooh, it looks so good. So you can season up the bottom of your meat, all right? And look how good that chicken look already. Look at the juices. Look at the juices coming from that chicken because of the marinade. I'd let this thing marinate for at least around about 4 hours. If you let your chicken marinate overnight, guarantee you'll find the best results. All right. Now, after that, we want to go ahead and close this up. I'm not going to check this temperature by time. I mean, to check the internal temperature by time. I want to check it with a meat thermometer, and I want to hit that desired temp, which is 165 degrees. Once I hit 165 degrees on each piece of meat, I'm taking them off and I'm ready to serve these things up. I'm telling you, 165 degrees is what you want as far as eternal temperature. And it is good, y'all. I'm telling you, you get the best results that way. So now I'm taking a couple of these pieces and I'm putting it inside of a dinner box. We're having barbecue. Barbecue ain't good if you don't have barbecue sides to go with it. So my wife ended up making some of her baked beans and coleslaw. Now, even with that being said, I'm fixing this here plate for my neighbors. They look out for me. I want to look out for them as well. Try this recipe, Ray Mack style. Peace.